Good morning, good morning. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Do we get a push here? Looking for a push. I think we can. Not much, just up around the 15s or so, maybe a little higher. If it moves up. Hopefully it does. Think we do.
How's it going, everybody? Hope you had a great day. I didn't.
That's not my video. Do we get a push here? I gotta copy this link again. Is this gonna squeeze, or what are we gonna do here? Get a nice little squeeze up. 56 contracts up to 75s, 31 at the 60s, and 22 at the 50s. This could be a nice little squeeze, but it might dump, I don't know. So we gotta be really careful. 3:25 left in the 5 minute. We're up at the 9. Did sweep this, so now we might fool around here for a bit before moving up, or I might go back down, so. I like to see it just squeeze right through. Be the best, obviously. I don't trust it. I don't trust it, and now it's gonna go. Alright? Should have trusted it. I guess I should have trusted it. But it might pull back yet, so. Well, let's see. we'll see. Right, that's what I was thinking. I'm gonna pull back. I'm glad I took that off. Can't talk. We do have, it looks like a bull flag on the 15-minute, kind of like you can sweep down. Do have that 15-minute fair value gap down there though. Right, like, let's see, what's that at? It's a 97 inches. So like down around here. Might pull back to that on the 15. 4 hour looks like a huge bull flag. So could pump, I don't know. I'd like to get down to that first. 15-minute one is down around here. Or close this above, make an inverted fair value gap. We'll be fine. Oh, excuse me. We end up funding 2 of our PAs, so we got 2 of them funded, 2 more to fund. Hopefully after we get a payout, we'll fund the other ones. But we'll see. I really do think we go up. I was just nervous about this fair value gap. How we're gonna react to it. We still got 4 minutes left. We're getting up through it, but if it closes above, retest it. I'll take a long. Do have a fair value gap down around the 97s on the 15. We do have 21 contracts up at the 40s, 24 at the 30s. So I think we do want to move up. I don't want it just to run right now because I don't want to miss it, which is probably going to do. I was thinking too, I should have stayed in, but I was like, no, I'm not going to bother. That probably was a mistake. Alright, it's got it down here. I took it off up here. I should have just left it on. See, this one kind of fooled me up. I was like, I thought I was going to keep grinding. So I was like, I'm just, after this little pullback, I'm going to jump in. But then it whoop, down. Of course, that's how it happens. $2:35 left in this 5 minute. Do we stay above this fair value gap? If we do, I'm taking a long. The next candle. Oh my god. So let's see. Let's see what we do. Oh my god, look at it. Definitely should have stayed in. You don't know, right? When you're up to a fair value gap, you don't know what it's going to do. It's going to squeeze, it's going to drop down. So you just don't know. 125 left on this candle, so we'll find out in a second. We're gonna pull back a little bit. We can probably get in. Friday morning though. Hope it's a good day in the market. I really should have been trading London. I was upsides. Oh, actually, that's a lie. I did trade London. What am I talking about? I traded on my Elite Trader Funding account. I traded London. Got up 500. I should have had my other accounts at the same time. Because London was good, man. London was good. What is this on? Alright, come back down, touch into it again. Dip down a little more, maybe to the 9. Come on. Get down to 9. What's the 9 at? Take one. I'll probably push down to the 9 again, but oh well. Got 28 contracts at the 30s, 22 contracts at the 40s. So, if I was a betting man, that's where I think we're gonna head. If not, oh well. Yeah, but I should have these accounts at London too. Would have been way better. I think I'm gonna start getting up trading London every morning. It's like just once the market picks a direction with London, it just goes. You know what I mean? No matter if it's up or down. Three minutes left on this candle. What we got? 752. My daughter's dealing with some first world problems. Our dogs are trying to help each other. Turmoil's real. Yeah, if you need any accounts with Elite Trader Funding, man, use the link in the chat. They're 90% off. 16.90? 16.50? I'm not sure. I think it's for the expert one. Yeah, 16.50 an account, which is really good. I bought one this morning and got it up 500 and something, so I'm just gonna leave it. Yeah, they're really good deals. You gotta use code SIMPLE. It's not my code, it's just the code they have with the... Use the link in the chat, and then I don't know how it works anyway. It's probably not even working. Look at this. Don't be a crappy day. Rip up. 120 left. Swept all that. Push up. Don't want to close down here. I'll have to get out. Ugh. 40 seconds left. Get back above this fair value gap. Get above. I don't like that. I noticed though lately, every time I say I don't like that and I get out of a trade, it always ends up going in the direction I lose. It's like I get it, lose money, then it goes exactly where I thought it was going. So I was like, oh, that didn't make any sense. Why did I get it? So this time I'm going to leave it on and see what happens. Right? I would have been out for a $64 loss. I need to stop listening to myself sometimes. Let the trade happen. Yeah, like I said, Elite Trader Funding, man, 90% off. $16.50 an account. Need any accounts. Or if you think it's going to be a crappy day and you still want to trade and you don't want to spend a lot of money, it's probably the way to go. 27 contracts at the 30s, 22 at the 40s, and 23 at the 50s. So I think we move up. Like I said, that bull flag on the 15, working out, 4 hours setting up. $3.20 left on the 5 minutes. If we keep pushing, at least to the 30s. Come on, push. Just squeeze. Keep squeezing. Ugh, come on. You don't have to stop. 150 left. Oh, 2 minutes until, or 1:45 until new 30-minute candle. I'd like to be up over the 30s by then. Squeeze up to the 50s. That would be nice. I don't know if we're gonna get it, but it would be nice. Oh, I don't trust it. It was so close to that. We're almost at the 30s. One minute left. Ugh, gross. I think it's gonna dip. I don't like that. I don't like it's too close to the new 30-minute candle. Can't be in a trade like that sitting there, because you don't know what this is gonna do. If it was closer, like if it was 745 or whatever, be fine. But it's too close to that. It could dip down. It could pump up. I'd rather just take my few bucks and walk away from it and wait. Could rip too, but not chancing it. Not chancing it. You know, could just dump down here, back to the 18s. Mm, 26 contracts at the 30s now. I think we go there, obviously, but pull back a little bit more first again. Like, look at this. Look at the two. It's just that, this. Like, that looks like it could come down. I don't trust it. I do not trust it. We have for news today. Let me check that. $10 a.m. core retail sales month over month, Canada. FOMC member daily speaks. I don't know what that is. Yeah, so we don't got much news. Don't have much news. And see, look, it's pulling back. Right? This might be just a massive dump. Sweep all this. I don't think it is, but it could be. That's how it got me a couple times the other day too. It was same kind of setup. Pump up, a little higher, high or lower high, and then just start slowly bleeding off, and just bled out. And I kept going long, and that's how it got me. That's how it tore me up. So, trying to be a little more careful with that. That's why I'm getting in and out of these trades so fast. Try to be careful. Yeah, I really should have had these accounts in the London market. Like, I traded my Elite Trader funding account with London and got that up 550. Then I opened these later. I funded two of my past Apex accounts. I got two more left. I'm hoping to be able to fund them with a payout. If it's gonna happen, I don't think it's gonna happen. Well, I couldn't because I think I only got like a week left before I gotta pay them or fund them anyway. So I'll just have to fund them myself. But hopefully, with these 4, we'll get a payout. Be nice to get an Apex payout. I haven't got one from Apex yet. And I had enough accounts. Just haven't got one. Right? How many of you guys seen this setup happen? You know, get up here, come down, start moving back up, don't make a high, and then go below this one, and then just fall. Oh, give me 1 second here. Sorry about that. My father. Working on his side-by-side. So he's trying to figure out valves and different measurements and stuff. So we pop back up, eh? Right up to the 30s. Ugh, I really wanted to be in this. Looks nice on the 15 too. But I just couldn't, it wasn't good. Like, it didn't look good. It looked like it could have just went back down. But I guess that's what it does, right? That's how it looks. That's how it's supposed to look. Tempt you in and then drop. Or pop and not let you in. So I gotta wait for a better setup. But if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. If you're not new to the channel, welcome back. How's it going? Watch me try to guess which way the market's gonna go. That's basically what I do. I do use setups though a bit. Yeah, yo. There's not really any news. There's been a news at 10. But it's orange folder and it's Canadian, so I don't think it's gonna really do much. Like I said, I still don't trust this. Well, we did alright this morning. We got our Elite Trader funding account up 552, trading in London. And we got these down a little bit, but we were down 200 and something on them, so it's not too bad. We got a bit of it back, a couple of trades here. So that's not too bad. But now this might just keep grinding. Might just grind higher, and we won't be in it. We'll see. I don't like how every time on a 2-minute it looks like it's gonna roll over. Alright, it's like, oh, and then the next time it might just down. Or just keep pumping up. I don't know. Hard to say. We're just gonna go with it, man. We're just gonna wait and see. We're not gonna get too excited, too pumped. $44 contracts at the 70s, 25 at the 40s, and 87 at the 800s. I think we go up, but I can't get in this grind. I can't justify jumping in this. And I don't trust the pullbacks, you know. I don't trust it. If you need any accounts with Elite Trader funding, there's a link in the chat. It's $16.50 for 90% off an expert account. Expert just means they got live trailing, so it's just trailing drawdown. You can get end of day too, but I think it's $19.50 for an account or something like that. But there's a link there, but you still got to use a code. The code is simple, and you get 90% off. Which is really good if you don't want to spend a lot of money on accounts. Of course, Take Profit Trader, 40% off, no activation fee, but everybody knows that. Code JW. I would appreciate it. I do have one for Trade Day too, JWT. Trade Day is almost like Take Profit Trader now. It's probably, well, I guess they got 5 days to pass now, like Take Profit Trader. They got resets are 59, which is good. An account is 69. You got daily payouts, so it's all good, man. It's all good. These are the worst kind of markets for me to trade in, I find. Like these little, it's moving, but it's not moving kind of markets. Because this, I find, trips me up more than, you know, like just chop. Just chop, I won't trade it. But this is just, it is chop, it's just a bit bigger chop. Go up, go down, go up, go down, right? Just bigger chop. My God. Do something cool, market. Do something cool. I don't know. I don't know what we're doing here. Oh, I don't know, I don't know. Might just consolidate for a bit. We got 8:21. So we got 9 minutes or 8 minutes until new hour. So I wonder, did we start pushing down? Right, we're off the 9 on the 15. In the 15-minute fair value gap. Push down into that. Can we just start moving up? Contracts at the 50s, 40s, 70s, the 800s. Also, we pushed up since London, all the way up here. Want to come take all that out again? That move up? Hard to say. But it's Friday, so trying to make some money and get out of it. Go into the weekend with a happy demeanor, right? Up in your accounts. It's nothing worse than losing on a Friday. You get to sit with it all weekend. Really curious what we do here. Alright, well, that will kind of be a good spot. Alright, just... You know, if we're just thinking like that, like we're kind of in this... 240. 240 left till new hour. I see a big pile of contracts stack up around a 25 somewhere. Draw on that, but I don't really have any contracts sitting anywhere. Get back up in this channel before the close of that 5-minute candle. Get above that 9. Open our new candle, dip down a little bit, but move up. That's what I'm guessing here. Right? Because wouldn't we get back in the channel? Like, wouldn't that make sense? Why is that moving up so aggressively? It was weird. I don't know why it was moving like that. But after it dipped down below that, swept that low, kind of got stuck at the 34. That's what made me think, okay, there's a good chance we push back up in this channel. Glad I got it when we did, but I think we definitely dipped down after the open of this one a little bit. Not super far, just maybe back down to this. Maybe we won't. No crazy new contracts. Still 22 contracts at the 40s, 22 at the 50s. 30 got barely none. Oh, that's weird. I don't trust this. Why is it just doing that? What's the breakout of the bull flag on the 4 hour maybe? I don't understand. I don't understand. Three minutes left on this candle. Yeah, we're definitely gonna pull back here. That was so weird. I felt more like a sweep everybody kind of move, right? Pump up like that. $155 left. Yeah, that was different. Kind of figured that though, that big push up like that, it wasn't just gonna squeeze. There's no reason, there's no contracts there, there's no anything, like, why is it squeezing? And then what did it do? Come right back down. So I'm glad it didn't get long. Seems like a bull trap. Right, because I couldn't justify it. I was like, why is it just... Even when it did this, like, that's why I moved my stop up so close, because I was like, it shouldn't be... I figured it'd just come back inside this a little bit, but it pushed right up here. So I was like, that don't seem right. Seems like they were just trapping everybody here. That might not be. It might continue up, but I don't know. It's weird. I don't trust it when it does that for no reason, especially this time in the morning. Different if it was like later on, there's lots of volume and lots of volatility, but right now, it's weird. See how we react down here in this fair value gap. Right, just because I didn't like how it did all that, it makes me think it might dip here a bit. I could be wrong, but it seems like a bear trap, bull trap, what they've done to me. Equal lows kind of down here, you know. $250 left. back inside that little trend, the little channel, but I don't know. Seems weird for some reason. $205 left on the 5-minute. Could end it upside. Like, there's 30 contracts at the 40s, so there's no reason why we don't go up. Why do I feel like we're not going to? $110 left. Big wick on the 15. $35 seconds left. Still above the 9. Right, like we're still above the 9. We're still in that channel. Why do I feel like it's gonna go down? Maybe I'm wrong, but felt like it was. Guess I was right. Guess I should have stayed short. Yeah, I'm probably gonna call it there, man. Just leave it until open. Because I don't know what this is gonna do. We don't have a lot of news. This might just consolidate now. You know, might run back up in this channel, but God knows. But anyway, thanks for checking out the stream, man. Really appreciate it. Need accounts, take profit trader. Please use code JW. Link for Elite Trader funding will be down below. 90% off, $16.50 an account. For the trailing ones, $19.50 for the end of day. Also, trade day, code JWT. They got $69 for a 50K all in, no activation fee, and also $59 resets. And 5 days to pass now, just like Take Profit Trader. But yeah, that's it for me, man. Have a good weekend, right? And, because like I said, I don't know. This might just consolidate now, and I don't really want to get into that. But, have a good weekend. I'll have an update video later, because I'm probably going to trade again, probably around open. But, I'll throw up an update video later on, so please like and subscribe if you're new, and we'll talk to you later on. Have a good one. Have a good weekend.